Welcome back, brothers and sisters and non-binary designer friends. We are on day 3 of this IKEA web app. We've got a pretty good, I think, direction that we're headed. Take this down just a little bit. Get that nice lo-fi Pokemon music. Yeah, everybody loves it. So, what have we done? I don't know. Let's take a quick recap on our project so far. So these were our kind of starting ideas, our wireframes. This one pretty underwhelming, left a lot of negative space, which I love. I love negative space, but come on, this is just bad design. The second one looked to make it a little bit better by just making this way bigger, making that the full screen, taking this one away, and then kind of reordering the text on the page. And then our third wireframe was like, what if we just kind of flipped it, since it's going to be a slot wheel anyways, made it more slot wheely, and then just kind of did something interesting like a diagonal that separates the text on the page or something like that. So I like that. I think that's pretty interesting. I love the motion that we've got going on this. So far, so good. This is the component that we have. So we made like a prize wheel that's about, well, I guess that's clipped content. If you unclip it, it's got all 8 colors from our color palette on there. And then what we did was duplicated it like 100 times. So if we unclip this, let's see. It really should be a lot longer than that. What's going on? Oh, okay, yeah. We just have them. How is it still? All right, whatever. That one's showing more of them, I guess, but yeah. I'm not really sure why the other one is clipped weird like that, but that is our slot wheel right there. So today, I think what we're gonna do is gonna grab image items or item images from the IKEA website. Sorry for the sniffles. I sneezed like 6 times right before I hit live. So I'm gonna have the sneezy sniffles for a second. But yeah, that's where we're at. Yesterday, we went through and made this really cool like motion design kind of stuff. And I'll show you what that looks like, you know? Hang on, we got it. I'm not sure why this project is doing this unless it has to do with that giant rotated square, but we masked our layers. It shouldn't be working like this, but whatever. So, okay, this is our prototype. Keep in mind, this is pretty low fidelity. This isn't this isn't what we're going for. I just wanted to use our palette colors more or less. Not even completely. So we've got black text on here, which will go away. Then when you click transition, it changes screens twice. So it fades to a blank screen, and then after a delay on that blank screen, it loads the next one. So we load two screens every time we hit a button. So we get that nice fade out, fade in. Instead of the fade out in on top of each other, like getting that messy text, I just didn't want blurry text. So we fade it completely out, fade it completely in. And this is where we're gonna say, you know, we want this for home goods or kitchen. We want kitchen and we want stainless. And then you spin to win. This will set up a wheel with kitchen items and stainless. Then whenever you're ready, you spin the wheel. And I could probably set up a delay for the screen. I think I had it maybe set up that way initially. But even still, I have it programmed right now to where I have to hit the S key to spin this wheel. And it will obviously stop in a predetermined place. I can't really randomize that, to my knowledge. Maybe I could if I could code in Figma, but I'm not sure you can code in Figma. I think you can take Figma code and code elsewhere. and Figma can generate some code for you, but I don't think. But then again, I'm not a developer, so I don't know. I don't know about that. So that's what we have today. I would like to clean up our text. I'd very much like to clean up our text, make these look a little bit more presentable. That shouldn't be tough. Shouldn't be tough. We've got a color palette. We have our ideas. We have our ideas. They can't take those from us. This looks awful. We'll fix that. But the bigger issue possibly, or the harder part I would say, is if we grab a ton of IKEA deal images and putting those, you know, on this last little column there so you can see. So we'll need to do that. I had an idea for, where did it go? Oh, we're not on the right row. This one. Did I have an idea for that one? Yeah, I think I did. I think we have a decent enough idea for that. We could prototype that out really fast too. Alright, let me actually open up an IKEA page here. Oh my god, I feel like so itchy up in my nose and I don't know where that's coming from. We had to evacuate my building earlier this morning. I'm sure that's not why my nose is itchy, but I went outside. I wonder if there's some like allergens out there or something. Had to grab my cat and my laptops and then just book it outside. There was no problem. Maybe there was a small fire in somebody's unit or something, but we were outside for like 20 minutes and then went back inside. I'm not going there. Let's see here. IKEA.com. Also, I was looking at the channel stuff before I went live, and you have 2 followers on Twitch, so cheers, you guys. Thank you. Welcome in. Alright, so we want to go shopping. We're looking for deals. Let's see, view all, right? Oh my god, is this really what I'm looking for? This is not my favorite setup for what I thought I was gonna see when I click on view deals. I don't want to read articles. I don't want to click somewhere else to find deals. I wanted to see all, you know? Spoiler alert, guys, the closest IKEA to me is in Centennial, Colorado. Even more ways to save. Let's go last chance. Hurry, it's your last chance to enhance your everyday life at home with this popular selection of stylish decor, affordable furniture, and smart storage solutions. So clear out the old to make room for the exciting new products. Be sure to shop or now, whatever. Okay. So these are the categories I kind of need to have. Furniture, storage, organization. Oh my god, there's a lot. Oh, no, I didn't mean to click. I didn't mean to click. Okay, let's build a component, you guys. I'm gonna drag this over so you guys can't see it anymore. My bad. Okay. So then let's grab this. This is probably way too big, but... Did I drag it up? Okay, I did. I was worried that I didn't make a copy of it. Zoom in here just a bit. And then underneath this, let's see, do I want to make a component? Not a component. What am I trying to say here? Auto layout. Do I want to make an auto layout container immediately for this top one? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I won't. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so you know what? No, I had that window open for a reason. Why am I so dumb? All right, put that next to chat just in case, you know, just in case. So I'm gonna get Source Sans Pro 32. We're not gonna use 32, but furniture. Are we gonna use 32? Maybe we will. Is that still in the same group? That's weird. Let's drop it like there, maybe? And drag it down. I don't know how many settings there actually were, but we're gonna drag it down quite a few times. Do I? God. After I copy it, I could have probably made it easier on myself by auto layouting these words and then putting a buffer around them. But yeah, all right. Forget it. Not that. So we're gonna auto layout furniture. That way it's gonna have maybe the same width. Come on, Figma PC. Always work on Mac, you guys. Always work on Mac. So I think I want 16 in, probably, right? All right, let's see here. So we want furniture. Then let's grab that, drop it down. Storage. And organization. Home decor. And I honestly have no idea how to do an E with a fucking accent mark on it. Be easier on mobile. I can do it on mobile. Alright, let's see here. So this one is summer. Then we have home textiles. And then after home textiles, we have kitchen and appliances. Then what's next? Beds and mattresses. Beds and mattresses. There are a lot of categories, turns out. Gardening and plants. And then what? Cookware and tableware. And then I see more options. Oh, last one. Bathroom. Bathroom! Bathroom. Alright, so that is everything there. I think I want to drag this up and keep everything blank. Okay, this is actually the one I want to hide. Let's see here. Can I hide that and then keep? Hell yeah. Why do I feel so sneezy? It's driving me crazy, you guys. So now I have this blank one. We're gonna call this blank. Furniture. I wish there was a way to, and I say I wish, there probably is a way, but like name this after whatever its category is, subfolder, subordinates, storage, and organization. Home decor. Summer. Home textiles. Kitchen and appliances. Gardening and plants. And table warfare. What is this? Bathroom? That's the last one. So close these down, 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 close them, close them, close them, please close them. All right. So now I would like to group from blank. Why is furniture not inside it? From blank all the way down to bathroom. Ugh. Control G group. This is gonna be our category drop down list. All right, let me figure out how I want to do this. Let me go blow my nose really quick while I'm stewing on it. All right. So I think maybe what I do is auto layout this, and then auto layout this, and then somehow drop this on top of that, or group this with an absolute position where this empty one is just inside that. Like, let's see here. How wide is that? Height of 60. Height of 53. Let's grab it, move it up. And then for blank, let's see. That doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad. It doesn't look centered. Is that really how you spell? Now I'm looking at furniture and like, this is spelled wrong. It's not. Make this black category. Well, maybe bold. Fine. We'll change that text to make it look better later. So then I see now I should have made one a component for the hover, but I already have it organized, guys. Do I do that? Come on. Come on. I do need to do that. Shit. Let's see here. So is this the color? Let's see. I want this to be like our deep purple. Furniture, sure. And then I need to make a variant of this. Actually, I need to make a component out of it first. So component, variant, and this is gonna be our hover. So then we're gonna turn this to like our white, or our off-white, really, our whitest. There we go. And then the fill, what if we did the one right below that? Even violet would work, I feel it. There we go. That's a better highlight, maybe. So then let's go into prototype. Drag down here when hovering. Wait, hold on. What? Okay, instant. That's what I do want. That is exactly what I do want. Oh no, you guys. Oh no. This is bad news, bears. I'm empty on my e-shig, and I ordered replacement parts for this like 6 weeks ago, and they have not come in, and this is a mess. Give me just another half second. I apologize. All right, mostly back. Hopefully we can do this. Let's see. I've been having some real issues. It's like an inch away from death's door, and that like the seal no longer seals, which is why I ordered parts 6 weeks ago. But I'm not sure they'll ever come in. Not sure at all. This thing's becoming a nightmare. That'll do for now. Gotta get back to design. Okay, so we have, man, I'm just gonna have to paste and replace, I think, all of these. But hopefully if I do that, copy, paste to replace. I'm gonna have to do this all again. Storage and organization. Let's do this. Oh, I can't do it. Damn, I was gonna copy paste that, but paste to replace, storage and organization. Home decor, paste to replace. No E on that. Hopefully these don't, man, I don't know. We'll see. Paste to replace. Shit, that one was summer? Home textiles. Kitchen and appliances. Beds. Oh my god. And mattresses. Gardening and plants. Cookware and tableware, paste to replace. And then bathroom! Paste to replace, bathroom. Okay, now... Are these still in the same group? Are you serious? Definitely don't want that to be in the group. It's still in the group. How is this still in the group? Alright, are we independent? Yeah, okay, good. So, let's just drop a frame around this real quick. Or do this, and then drop a frame around it. And then prototype. No, prototype this. All we should see is a highlight state under this. Yes, 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 yes. Good deal. So now what I need to do is, like, say if we click this, I need to make click states to where the invisible one actually turns on. So let me do this. Let me group. They're all grouped, I think. So I need to make this a frame though. How do I make that a frame? Group. I want to make that a frame. And it is? It's just a frame now. Hell yeah. So what I want to do... And it's clipped. Love it. Control... Is this what I want to do? Is this what I want to do? And then... create a variant. And this one is going to be... drop down, open. Drop down, closed. And then we should have a drop down selected, but let's see here. What I want to do first is go into category drop down list. This one is clipped content. I still want to clip the content, but where is it? Don't clip this content. I think I want it to be maybe that long. And then vertical scrolling on just that. Actually, it's gonna, when I scroll though, go above and into that. That might be okay. So then we should be able to scroll through there once it's selected. And then, how many categories is that? How many categories did we have? Is this the main component that we have? Shit. Okay. Let me just count over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Is that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 10. Do that, and then let's see here. I want... So, okay. And then I want that clipped right there. We can do that. Now I want a variant. Now I need to make variants for all of these, I think. Alright, I do think I want variants of this one to make it easier, but I feel like doing it this way is going to make it bizarre. So this is going to be drop down close, drop down open. Wait, what the hell? Okay, that's shit. Okay, this is weird. Let's add a variant to this whole thing. A variant. Add property variant. No, god damn it. Did I do that in the wrong place? Why is this like this? Okay, I want to add a variant. Yeah. Is this the new one? This is variant 3? Like, come on. Bring it down here. Bring it down here for me. Okay, so this is gonna be... Is this its own thing now? Because it's... Oh! Okay, so this is variant 3. That's what we want. We want this to be drop down furniture select. So this one's gonna be, and then we're gonna double that. Oh, why the fuck are you doing this? Come on. Oh, that's getting really frustrating. I've never seen Figma act this shitty. What are you doing? I'm gonna have to auto lay out my component category to keep it straight, and that's gonna... I've never have I ever had to auto lay out this. Fucking hell. Okay, so this one's furniture selected. This one's gonna be storage. It is just the sneeziest day of my life as well. I'm sorry, you guys. So this is home decor, drop down, home, select. Did I say select on this one? Drop down storage. So this one was home select. So summer is next, and I wish you would just drop down below, you know, like you normally do. Whenever you make a component variant, just drop down below. Sheesh! So this one was what? Home. Now we need summer. Summer select. The next one's gonna be home textiles. Ugh. Let's see here. Drop down textiles. Select. I need all of these to be like in a row though, so that when I select them, there's no weird like jittery sideways motions, you know? So this one was textiles. Our next one is gonna be kitchen. Drop down kitchen, select, then beds. Drop down beds, select, gardening. Oh, that's not what I want. Control Z. Drop down garden, select, then cookware. I'm just gonna have to redo all of this too once I come up with a. I mean, I could change this font too. I would have to change it on all of my variants because I've been doing this really bad. Cookware, bathroom is the last one. Let's go. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Down, bathroom, select. Now, if we prototype, so we want to say on click. Are these not the same? Alright, I don't know what's up. On click, yep. I don't really, instance fine. I guess we can see what's going on with that. So then this one, we actually want to go in and say, like, you know, when furniture is clicked, we go to furniture. Oh shit. I guess that's fine. I can fill this in later. That one's going to the second one. This one's going to the third one. Summer goes down to the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh one. 3 from the bottom. 2 from the bottom. And last one. And I'm kind of worried this isn't even gonna work. So this is furniture select. Design, Y is, oh, I need to find blank. And furniture is selected now, cool. So this one is storage. And what is it? Storage and organization. Wait, why aren't these? I guess it doesn't matter. These weren't already changed to the purple color. So this one now is gonna be home decor. Home decor. This one's just called summer, that's easy. It didn't work. All right, this one was home textiles. Home textiles. And then select all. Kitchen and appliances. That's not what I want, is it? Nope. So then after kitchen and appliances, beds and mattresses. And you'll see me opening and closing that tab before I open it. I'm doing that with Alt, so it opens everything and then shuts it, collapses it, so that the next time I open it, like the third time I click it, everything's collapsed and I can find what I need faster. So that's why I'm doing that. What was this? Beds and mattresses. I'll give you an example next time I do this. Beds and mattresses. Select all that and then make it purple. Okay, this one is supposed to be gardening and plants. Okay. So like when I click on this and then I open it, everything inside this is open. So if I hold down Alt and then I click this and then I let go of Alt and I click it again, everything's collapsed. So that Alt click will either expand all or collapse all. And now I can just real quick click that. All of this stuff is still collapsed and then find exactly what I need without searching through a ton of open folders, you know what I mean? So it makes it easier to find what I'm looking for. Gardening and plants. We never spell and, come on. Okay, gardening and plants, turn that perps. Cookware and tableware. So collapse all there, open, collapse all, open again. Cookware and plants. Cookware and plants? Cookware and tableware. And tableware. And then I don't even need to scroll up. We know the last one is bathroom. Bathroom. All right, let's see if this goofy idea even works. So now we have that. I'm not sure this is gonna work, but let's drag it out. Grab a frame. Well, you know what? I don't need to grab a frame. We just hit A and then draw our frame. I'm gonna draw it pretty long in case this works miserably. See what happens. So, category. Now, if I click this, I'll honestly fit to screen. Category, click that, this drops down. Hell yeah, that. And then if I select like home decor, that, I can't believe that works. I can't believe that works. So, no way to change it afterwards, but holy shit, let's try that one more time. You guys, I don't mean to brag, but figuring out how to fill this has really been a problem for me in the past. So I'm glad that we kind of had that idea. Nothing hovers there. I love it. Let's try bathroom, and it works. That's sweet. That's actually sweet. So we can erase that. We don't need it. But what I'd like to do now, you know, is take this, Control C. Whoa, where are we headed? Where are we headed? There it is. Paste to replace. Let's just see, you know. I don't think I did this well enough, but fit to screen. You know, that's sloppy. That is sloppy. But it actually fills in, like... So... One thing we could do then... Oh, shit, that's gonna be tough, maybe. Let's see. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Let's go back up to our component. So what we want to do is we want to fill on that. Fill that. And we can make it white. That's fine. This might also be sloppy. It might cover up this, but why don't we do it this way? Let's see. There's got to be a better way to do this. Drop down list. We're going to select everything in it, and then we're going to deselect blank. Oh, shit. Okay, so try that again. And then maybe if I control click blank. There we go. Now, let's add a fill. Okay, fill. With white. And I know that there's a couple that are like not quite where they need to be, so we'll see what happens there. So there's one. Probably gonna need to do that for all of them. Maybe not. Maybe that's the only one I needed to do that to. Let's see. Let's see. Who knows? There was an easier way, you guys. There was an easier way. Alright, let's come back in here. I'm dumb. We're gonna grab this one, alt click, not alt, control click, and then remove that fill. We're gonna add a fill to this. Bada bing. Come on, why didn't that update? publish. That's not what I want. I want to force that to all the instances. Driving me crazy. I'm not sure why that happens. Okay. So it kind of works, it kind of doesn't work. I don't really want to go through and I don't especially want to recreate all of this stuff again, but is there a way to like update it? Let's see here. I'm not sure why. Because they're all instances of that. That should be the controller. Let me try, this is gonna be stupid, but let me try closing that. And then we'll reopen it. Where's just my IKEA page? There we go. My coffee. I don't know why. Maybe this is what I wanted to do. Who knows? Hold on. So we'll go control. I'm saying all the wrong things. We hit enter to select everything within it, and then control click on blank. And then let's add the fill back to white. I still don't think this is gonna work 100% how we want it, but let's try. Let's try. This is closer. It'll be closer. Should be. So there we go. It does cover the background. That's more or less what I want. If I could hide category, that would be unreal. And then there is a gap in one of these, but again, it's fine. Not super worried about it. Mattresses. I love that that fills out, you guys. That's pretty cool. So it's Wednesday. We still have 2 days to work on everything, so I don't want to put too much time into any one component and spend like an entire day on it. So we might actually be done with that for now. All right, so what we want to do now could also be kind of tough because I think everything's auto layouted. So we have prize border, prize shadow, and this rectangle. Let's group all of these. We're gonna call these like the slot. Whoa! Hey, slot. We can caps the first word. Window and opacity. So then we're gonna grab that. can I not paste that out? Let's see here. So which one of these is the actual? That fades to that. This is the same. Okay. So I want this one, I think. Control V. And then I want absolute position on. Add them. God, what? Absolute position. Okay, it's on. Okay, so then so I want this. How do I want that to appear? So I want that to like kind of so how would we do that? How would I get that to slowly appear like the other things? I'm thinking it probably needs to be how would I do that? If I wanted that window to pop up and be like, you did this! Let's see where we're at on the prototype right now, because I think this one I need to... So there's that, and then we spin. It still doesn't even show the... Did I put it on the wrong one? Huh. What do you think? Okay, okay, so yeah, that one wasn't even rigged up. Let's do... So this animation takes... 10 seconds. So I'd need it to be like 11 seconds, and it might... I'm wondering if... So if I make a component that's completely blank or whatever, and set it to transition when I hit the button S, which is also the trigger to start scrolling. And then if I made a trigger to that, like as soon as I hit S, it switches instantly to a blank component, a second blank component. And then that one, if I set that one to a 10-second delay or an 11-second delay, that should pop up right at the end of the scroll wheel. Let's try that. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about my scrolling. There's gotta be a way there. Flow starting point, take that off. I know there's more flows. Flow 3, forget it. Flow 2, sure, I guess. Whatever. Flow 1, I can't even find. Just let me scroll where I want to scroll. So this, we've kind of changed. You're not betting actual money anymore, but... You never were betting money, but... Initially, we were gonna have it set to where instead of picking the... What the fuck? Instead of picking, like, category and color... We had it to where you would pick like a price window, price range, I guess. So anything under 20, and you could get items for 30 bucks for like 20 bucks, you know? I don't know. We're not doing that anymore though. Let's see, this is gonna just be page contents. There we go. Page contents. Let's grab that. Whoa. I want page contents. There we go. And then let's drag it out over here. So what I want to do is create a component from this. That is the component. We're going to create a variant. And we're going to create another variant. So in this one, I'm actually gonna go in and I think disable everything. Let's see here. Let's do it this way. And then same for this one. Variant 2 is gonna be empty timer, and then 3 is gonna be, you know, winning text. So then empty timer, we're gonna open that, select everything that's in it, and I wish there was just like a batch turn off. If could batch turn off everything by the parent, but I don't really want to disable the parent, I don't believe. So let's see here. I also realized I just grabbed this one. Let's see here. Maybe I can, I don't want to regroup everything. We'll just try this for now and see if it even works. So we're gonna say this one, switch to this one on button press. Button is gonna be S. Change to that, and that's gonna happen instantly. And then after a delay, and we're gonna say 10.5 seconds. No, let's make it an 11. Let's make it 11 seconds. We're gonna make that dissolve in 300 milliseconds, ease in and out to that. Dope. Okay, and then Control C. And I want to throw this just like right up here. Wait a second. Wait a second. Do I want to throw it on this one? I think I want to throw it on this one. I don't know if that's where I want it. Do I want it at the top? We'll try it right there. Let's see here. See what happens. So I like this when you hit spin. This is a sweet beat. So I like that it's all, you can see everything on there until you hit spin now, and then you get that opacity layer. You hit S. No, you don't. Nothing happens. There we go. So we're waiting. Oh, okay. Half the text is this color. I can't see it at all. Okay, so since there's two elements on there that are the same, and let's see here, I'm gonna redo this. Page contents, delete. We're gonna grab the other color so we can actually see it on our page. I love this beat, man. This one's really good. How far away from the top is that? 56. Page content. Control C. 56 from the top, and then how far from the, oh God. How far from the side? 151 and 56. So let's see if I can do that. If I can even find where I was. Oh, where's the scroll that I want ever? Paste to replace. Fuck, that's not that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, we want to grab this. And I don't know why I'm holding C. That's never done anything for me before. How? Okay. We're just getting ridiculous this morning. So we're gonna do this. Create component. So this one, empty timer, and this one is gonna be winnings. So come down to default. We're gonna do the same thing. Disable everything inside of it. And then come up to empty timer. Same thing, disable everything inside of it. And then winnings is fine. But now we go back to prototype, and we're gonna say over here, I'm gonna fake it this time, you guys. I'm gonna stay on gamepad, and I'm gonna change it from S to W. And that just means when I hit slots, I'm also gonna hit W immediately after it so that it looks like everything happens at the right time. So So we're faking it right there. W is gonna happen instantly. And then this one is gonna come over here after a delay of 11 seconds. And then we want it to dissolve in 300 milliseconds. Control C. Oh, that's it. That's where we want it. Whoa. Paste to replace, and then we're gonna move it down 56. Oh shit. Is it not in? What the hell? There we go. 56 is what I want here. And then 151. That's where we want that. Okay, so now let's try this. Okay, spin the wheel. We get our opacity layer. I'm gonna hit S and then immediately followed by W. Hey! That's really not bad. It would be cool to get it to kind of like everything animate differently, and we can 100% do that. Get everything to kind of fade in at different times, I do believe. So one thing I'm gonna change is instead of 11 seconds, I'm gonna make it 10 and a half. So 05. And then let's look at that one last time here. Hopefully that's just an error. I do not want to fucking evacuate again. Please do not use elevators. Weep, weep. All right, S, W. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so I like the height. Let's start working on how our text looks. So we already have this as a group, right? I'm gonna grab Control C. And then like just paste it there. Control C, paste to replace. Copy, paste to replace. We're gonna go over here to design. I don't even remember shit. Let's do drag. Why do I keep doing that? I don't understand. It's never been C. It's I'm so confused on PC all the time. I'm so confused. I can never get my hand to hit the right button. So we're gonna call this the IKEA deal wheel. And then copy, paste here. Introducing just never gonna get the hang of PC. Too many hours on Mac. Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. And then let's see here. So we don't really want it to be that same. What is that? 48. That's 48 Source Sans Pro regular. That one's regular already? 48. Let's try 48. That one's 32. Maybe we take back what we did. $32 regular. We're gonna say it's gonna be that color. Also, these need to be that color. Oh. Okay, what the hell? How did it even paste it like that? What? What? You were being real wonky today. Figma. Oh, and that's caps locks. Okay, we'll do 128 there. Let's see. And then how 68? Let's do fucking shit. I am never gonna hit the right button. 96. There we go. That'll do better. Take a spin. Heck, take 10 spins. Everybody win. Zzz. Everybody win. Everybody wins with the IKEA deal wheel. Find incredible deals on last chance items. If you don't win what you'd hoped, you can find all these deals on our website. Which, when you really think about it, makes this whole thing a big fun waste of my time. We'll just delete that. No risk, all reward. There we go. So then maybe we actually change this to semi-bold. Take a spin, heck, take 10 spins. I don't hate that. Let's do an interior shadow on this and see what happens. 4. No, that's not the shadow I want. I wanted interior shadow, not drop shadow. Inner shadow. Can you even see it on font that small though? 8. I don't think you can. Maybe we change this font to... I don't hate that. That's pretty cool. Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. Whatever. Oh my god, are you serious? Let's get our big shadow in there. Maybe not our biggest shadow. Maybe like so let's do another inner shadow here. And what was this one? This one looks really nice. 8, 4, and 60%. 8, 4, and 60%. This font's too small for that. Let's try 4 and like 2. And why is it so dark? Oh, you know why? Because we didn't change the color to... Not that. Not that. That! Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. Should I see what that looks like in the other purple? I do kind of like that. It's a different color, but it looks the same-ish. What was the... I'm not sure that jives with the same button color. It's not the worst, but I think I like that one the most. A little bit lighter than the darkest. Then set this one to our brighter purple. Add those effects again. Not those effects, come on. You keep doing that. Inner shadow. I want to drop this to like 4.2 again. And then make it maybe 650. You can't really even tell on those. You can't on that. This. Man, fucking sneezes today. I'm really apologizing for my my terrible audio, you know? I don't know why this is happening to me. Do we like that? I changed. I don't want to use a effect that we don't have a style for, but I do kind of like that a little bit more than what we had. That heavier shadow kind of makes it pop up a little bit more. Maybe we'll call this we can make a shadow preset for that. Are we actually still evacuating? Let me go check outside and see if people are evacuating, because this is what a weird day. What a weird day, you know? Jeez. I don't think we're actually evacuating, but I will take this opportunity to make another cup of coffee. So if anybody else needs a cup of coffee, now would be a great time to go get it. I'll be right back. All right, more coffee. No new announcements. What if we kill this and then we add another inner shaft? Golly, I'm just nailing that button and I don't want to. That looks better to me. Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. Is this even close to what we want? Let's see here. Do we want like any sort of graphic on that page? How far is this from this? What? I'm sorry, what? 52? 64? What the hell? Why is that not? Oh! Okay, let's see here. Now that should be all. Everything. Oh, come on. Why do they even make a Windows key, you guys? It's useless. It is so useless. Just like keep trying to hit a hotkey over here and hitting that, and then all that happens is this little like pop-up window comes up over here that is completely useless in my opinion. You don't need a Windows key to open a menu like that. It doesn't do anything except get in the way. Obviously, I'm not mad at the Windows key, but it's just so annoying. How far up are we from there? 203? Like, if anything, it's gonna be 256, right? So where we're at right now. Where are we at? 256. That's better. That's 24, 17, 16. Maybe we double that? 16, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2. Oh my god, are there seriously more? Can you guys hear that? Let me see if this goddamn fire truck is at my apartment. We have just been having fire alarms all day. I might die, so give me 1 second. They're back! The fire department is back. What? Alright, so if we can get our minds off of a fire for 1 second today. I'm liking the design of this. I do think it's very plain. Like there could be... Let me see if... This actually has a fill on it? No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's try a fill on it though. Let's try if this is it this that has the fill of violet? Wait, what was that? Okay, that was the button. Base template doesn't have a fill. Okay, so let's try adding a fill to this for no reason. We're gonna add unsplash, and let's just search for IKEA. Let's see what happens. IKEA, not idea. IKEA. So there's actually a decent amount of IKEA photos that I wasn't really expecting. What is something that's just like very IKEA? Maybe one of the top ones. That one's not bad. Let's just use this for now. So I'm really not sure. Oh, it's that. Let me... That's the very back. Let's see if I drop that. And we just have this. I'm just dicking around right now. Just absolutely dicking around. Oh, Control Z, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to add another opacity layer. This one we were gonna add it, I think it was probably this one. God damn it. Ugh. We'll do this. Dropper. There we go. And then we want that to be like 25%. Oh, 75% maybe? 75? Let's mess around with this image and say no contrast, desaturate it. Let's drop shadows. I don't like it at all. I wish I could kind of manipulate where the image was. I don't want to rotate the image. If I could like click and drag, you can with, if you did it different. I just kind of was trying to do this really quick and see if we wanted like an image in there. Change the temperature while we have it desaturated. Alright, so we're gonna remove that and that. Add these back. I could probably set it to have, so like if we had this setup or whatever with this text there, I could probably have like create a second component of this scroll wheel and just have it very slowly scrolling the whole time. Could look really good. We still have not gotten into any images, which kind of had planned to do today. So that is definitely better than where we're at over here. Okay, we could. Oh, scroll, you fuck. There we go. Sorry for all the explicit language too. A lot of designers probably like, yeah, this guy has zero chill. Okay, so what we could do, and I don't know if we want to do it right now, but we could add like a background. We could add two backgrounds above this and disable this, and then we could have one where it's this like lilac color all the way down vertically, and then we could have two columns on the side that maybe have image bleed through. But I just don't even know if that's what we want to do. We could really go with the diagonals and do diagonal gutters, alleys. I don't even know what you would call it. Just like pattern on the corners, bottom corner, top corner. Kind of have that come in like that. All right. Let's do this. We're gonna group all of this. wanna do that too, but let's see here. Design, I don't want it to hug, I want it fixed. I want it fixed. And then we're gonna say learn more. And center that. To learn more and spin the wheel for yourself, click this button. And I'm just gonna say click the button below to learn more and to get spinning. And then I think I will bring this down to 32. Is that right? 36, damn, I was so close. Click the button below. Click the button above. The learn more. Above. To learn more and get spinning. Let's see. Now we'll grab that and drop it like 32 below. Button above to learn more and get spinning. So now we can group all of this. Let's bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Yes. Group it. Just gonna say page contents. There we go. Okay, then let's grab that. Control C. Paste here. What could you win on the IKEA deal wheel? Question mark, question mark. Let's see here. I think I need to make that semi-bold though, right? This one's semi-bold, yeah. Let's see here. Gently smash that subscribe button. But we don't want to say that. We just want to say to take a spin. And then we're gonna say it's the next one, the one where we actually do spin. Oh, let's see here. To set up your spin. To set up your spin. Okay, so then say, let's go. So then I really want everything in here. Not that centered. What are you doing? There we go. Everything's centered. Control C. Copy it. Why are those separate? Delete that. Paste, replace. Whoa, what the fuck? It just happened there. Is this an auto layout? Why are you... This one's not right. It is. How did that even happen? Okay, so then I guess we'll say just let me fix my stuff. Okay. So we had it, what, 96 from the top? 96 from the top. Stop! Stop! There we go, 96. Maybe I'll post this on Reddit and be like, so what would you guys do to make this more interesting on the page? And it really might be as simple as adding a couple of rotated rectangles. Oh, we could even do blobs. I could do blobs. We do have the blob plugin. That could be cool. Just add some visual interest over here in the corners and stuff. Set up your... I have an E in there. What an idiot. Ideal. Good thing we're replacing that. Set up your ideal IKEA deal wheel. So let's see here. Alright, so then let's see here. We want to say choose a category in the drop down menu below and hit the spin button to win. And that's gonna be the same distance. Click the button to do the thing, okay? And then I think I'm just gonna delete color for now. I'm gonna delete this button for now. We have a button. I'll delete these two things as well, and then just drag down what I have. See, this one didn't get all scuffed on my auto layout. Why? Choose a category in the drop-down menu below and hit the spin button to win button. So everything's looking better. We've got, I don't think it's, I mean, definitely these pages aren't done, but we've got that looking better. Is that really all we did today? We didn't really do a whole lot. Let's see here. Spin time. So what happens? Fades to black, slides over, text appears, and then text appears here too. So let's say we're gonna only really need Only really need these two. God, if I could just click the right thing. All the time. All the time. Whenever you are ready, spin that wheel and we're gonna caps it. Okay, that time I know I was clicking the right button. I don't really want those to be in that other group, but it's fine, I guess. Control C. Paste to replace. Doesn't matter. We're gonna say it was 96 from the top. And then it was 151, I think, from there. Whenever you're ready, spin that wheel. I don't think that's correct. Is it? 24. Okay, it is. 24, and then I just need to change the color. And then effects, we did inner shadow, and it's like 4.2 and like 60% or something. And then we also have this button. Where does the button sit? The button is 256 up. So I think this is supposed to be 32 below, right? 32? 32, all right. And then let's move that to where it's centered. I don't need to group those, I guess. Okay, you guys, before we call it a day, okay, yeah, we have kind of a comparison of where we were before, so pretty shit. You know, it's about the same. It's really not that different. We just kind of made the text look better, got it all aligned with our color palette, added some depth, some height, made it all consistent across the board, and let's see what our prototype is looking like these days. It's too big for my screen. Okay, the IKEA deal wheel. Take a spin. Heck, take 10 spins. Sure. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. That's funny. Since I'm using the same button, everything is going to a wonky place. All right, let's try that again. Let's go back here. Boot up this prototype. See if we've got it where we want ish for the day. What could you win? Set up your ideal wheel. Category, wow, furniture. I'm gonna go kitchen and appliances, you know, why not? I love that it pops up right there. There is, I can't tell if that's my bad or not. Spin time. Spin now. Of course I hit S and W, so this should work out. Okay. I'm good with that. I'm good with where we're at right now. Everything is more or less functioning. So what we'll do after this, tomorrow, you know, we need to add some social icons down there so that they can post their deal, whatever. We also need a way to like add to cart, probably. One of these might be, you know, a continue shopping or something like that, or maybe a spin again. And then that's basically it. If we hit the spin again button, we can take ourselves back to like the hit the spin to win button or whatever page right there. Then yeah, we got a lot of cleanup to do. I think we're doing really well. I think we're keeping our eye on the prize, not getting too distracted, staying more or less productive on this. These just look too plain. We're gonna have to do something to these. I don't care if it is like put an image in the background and then somehow just cut this out, make that pop through, add some height in there. It needs something. Other than that, we're getting there. Category, let's make this word look better. Design, this is 32, this is bold. Okay, that's fine. Then we'll add our purple color. Let's add an effect, inner shadow, obviously. Then we're gonna do the 8 I said, come on. How did you type 5? 6? 8? I'm literally typing 8! Why is it just going up by 1? That's very weird. And then we'll put that at... Is numlock off? Is that what's happening here? Yeah. Good grief. Okay, so 68 and 4 is too much. What if we drop that down to... Oh, wait. No, that's correct. Let's do 4, 2, and then blur at like 40%. Category. So, good enough for me. I don't think category is what I want it to look like. But, we'll see. But we'll see. I guess... you know what? I could move this down below drop down list on my main component. Maybe. Where is that? Zoom! Haha! Okay. So this, if I... Oof. Shut that down, open this back up. Where does it say category right there? That's just, damn it, that's not what I wanted. Drop down closed. There we go. Now the drop down list should be behind that. Oh my God. This is I think the last thing I'll do today, and then we'll test it and call it a day. If this fixes, I don't see why it wouldn't fix my problem. Is that it? Okay. So then when I go back down here, did this change as well? Now every word looks dumb to me, but let's try it. Let's see what happens when we do this. Fit to screen. If we click that now and then we scroll up, that's it. That's what I wanted. I just wanted category to be gone. And there are a couple of like 2 pixel gaps between there because we did not auto layout. But man, the coolest functionality here, I can't even believe we got this going, but you can select what goes in there. So if we walk away and that's all we did today, I'm pretty proud of that. I think that took just a little bit of weird design thinking and problem solving to make that work. So I'm happy with myself, you know, little victories. But yeah, it's looking good for day 3. And starting with nothing, I think we're all right. We're on track. I like our use of purple. Aside from this just looks a bit too plain. We'll figure it out though. And, you know, maybe it'll just be copy pasta this over there and then just have a separate auto scrolling little, what is it, carousel. Maybe that's all we'll do. I don't know. But find out tomorrow where we take this. As always, thank you guys for checking out the content and hanging out with me. I really enjoying streaming this stuff. I feel like it's keeping me on task and, you know, more or less focused and getting my head in the design space for work after this. So all around, I'm really enjoying it. So thank you guys for checking it out and keeping me company. If you haven't already, follow the channel or subscribe if you're on YouTube. Would, you know, I don't know if it'll help me much, but just do it, and then you can hang out with me live. So, this isn't really a channel I'm like trying to super grow and blow up or anything. It's more just practice for me, but yeah. So, that's it for me today, you guys. It is Wednesday. I hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday, and I'll see you when it is no longer Wednesday, but Thursday. Same time, same place, same face. And yeah, that's it.